I mean, the governor will be addressing in Hindi, so I think we should let it.
On exception to this, and we
request
strongly
the-
condemn. We strongly condemn. This is against the sentiment of the people of the state, sir.
Mr.
As
Speaker,
a party,
sir.
we truly represent the voice of the people, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
This is where I think on this issue,
I request the honourable member.
just let me
Request
complete.
Bah
On
Ardent
this issue, I
to
feel
please sit
there
down.
should be no opposition, no
when
ruling.
this
We
chair
should
is,
stand united as one.
Standing, all the members are requested.
We are here because of the toil and sweat of
The
the
chair-
people and the leaders of the state.
When the chair
We
is on
just
his
not
feet,
get the state
when the
simple
chair
as
is
that,
on his
sir.
feet, all the members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on the feet, on his feet,
आप
nobody else stands.
आप सभी इस परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने और इस सदन की गरिमा को बनाए रखने का आग्रह करता हूं। राज्य के सभी क्षेत्रों में सामाजिक और आर्थिक विकास के वैधानिक मैंडेट के अनुसार सरकार बेहतर शासन के माध्यम से राज्य की बहुमुखी प्रगत लोगों के जीवन स्तर में
Government of
सुधार
India
के
to
लिए
impose on us
विशेष
the
प्रयास
language.
कर रही है।
Oh, we will not allow this. Down, down. We condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing
Speaker,
us
sir.
in the language we don't
This
understand.
is not the behavior
It
that
is
is expected of an
shame.
elected member.
Oh,
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior
will not
expected of the elected member.
either you
The
throw us
honourable
out,
speaker, the honourable
either
governor
you throw
is
us out
addressing
or
the
you
house.
stop the governor.
The honourable
No, we are
governor
not
is addressing the
misbehaving.
house.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the
This
state.
is not the kind of
This is
behavior is
against
expected
sentiment of the
of
people.
elected
The
members.
people of the state will not accept to be imposed. Language to be imposed on us.
Sir, the rules are
I
very
don't
clear.
understand what you are talking in Hindi.
Rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the house, the honourable members.
No. This is a
Honourable
design
members
from the
can-
government of India to
Well,
start
there are
imposing on the
restrictions.
states.
If an individual is not
we know
able
what
to
is the
read
design.
English, then we cannot
No,
impose
sir.
it on the individual.
We will not allow
The
this.
written speech has been circulated in the house.
Yes,
And
but
therefore,
it
since the
should be
written speech
transacted
is
in English.
circulated in the
The
house,
rule is clear. The
so
rule is
therefore,
clear.
yes, and the rule also says
Rule
that
is
the written
clear.
speech should be given. Mr. Speaker, sir, I request that this kind of behavior should not be admitted. This is not the way the honourable governor
government
is
will have to
addressing the
think
house.
from now on.
This is not the kind of behavior that's expected of elected members. The written speech has been circulated
have to do
everybody,
anything.
and there is no reason why this
Self-respect
issue
of the
should be
state
made.
and its people is
If an
more
individual
important, we
has
cannot
got
compromise.
certain limitations in terms of not being able to speak or read a particular language, then we have to allow, because the written speech has been circulated. It is not that the honourable governor
No,
is
we should
speaking,
not allow this to
is
become a
speaking
tradition.
only because he wants
Addressing
to
the
speak.
Meghalaya Legislative
He is
Assembly by
able to
Hindi.
read Hindi, he's not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that we should make
have
this
to
an
understand
issue.
that Meghalaya
He is
is not
not
a
doing it
Hindi-speaking
because he
state.
wants to do it. He's doing it because he has limitations of
Meghalaya
reading,
is not a Hindi-speaking
not in
state.
English, but in Hindi. And therefore, the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English. And hence, as a respect, this is very, very sad to see that a disrespect like
It may
this
be
is being
sad, but
done
the people is
to
happy
the member, to
when
the
they see
honourable
us
governor of the
raising
house.
the sentiment of the
Therefore-
people before the house.
Therefore, it's very sad, and I request the members
We respect the people who elected us.
not to bring out an
We
issue
know
like
this is against the
This is
sentiment
not
of
the
the
way.
people of the state. The people of the state have not given us the mandate
please sit down,
to
please?
speak in Hindi in
Would you
this
please
house.
sit down? Would you bear with the house and kindly listen to the governor's address? Otherwise, I will.
Sending Hindi-speaking governors to us. We don't understand what they're talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.
This is an insulting for the state.